be able to do this, but put the camera out here and you can hear that bad boy over there screeching at me. And we'll sit down, keeping a distance. It's showtime! And see if they pop out. Walk away, not sure how far away I can get. And one of the burrowing owls did pop out. 3 of them on the other side. I don't know if it's on camera, but hey. Walking up towards the camera, so I am going to back off some, and they look like babies. That's where GoPro would have been the better. GoPro would have had a wider angle. So I am going to sit, and maybe they'll get up to the camera. If I had my phone, which I do, and the phone range, the Wi-Fi, never going to hit this far. I know it did it about 10 feet. Oh, that should have been a nice sight where the birds came out. And I can sit here all day. Will they come out the other hole? I don't know. There you go. Beautiful shot. Flew right across, probably in the camera's view. Looking at the camera, walking around, coming out of the hole, going back in the hole, the other one in the background's moving, cutting across the grass. All this is on video. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Perfect shot. There's one that went outside his perimeter. Will they go up to the camera and do a dance for it? I don't think so. I should have put the dual face on the front, and maybe they would have seen themselves in the reflection. Hopping around in front of the hole. Now I'm gonna go get my camera and continue my walk. Oh man, they're coming out. They're doing something on the front. They're looking over, hopping in the background, flapping its wings, enjoying the fun. They could definitely see you in the distance. I have time to go pick the camera up. You couldn't ask for a better shot like that. You all have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video of the burrowing owls. As I get closer, they're going to go in because I have to pick my camera up. Are they going to make a noise like that, like a squeal? We'll see. They got yellow eyes. His eyes are squinted. Time to pick the camera up. I'm 6 feet from my camera, and he's going to back away. There's the baby in the distance. And there's the talk. Now I am going to switch the front, move my camera. 3 birds like that.